Hello everyone. Today we're going to get into our Awair Element. Hopefully yours came in the mail. I know they take a long time to come in. So today we're going to unbox ours here. This is actually my second one. We're going to unbox that and set it up and connect it to PlanetWatch so you can start earning Planet tokens. So first things first, it's going to come in this nice box. You know, when I first got it, it had a layer of plastic around the outside. The box is pretty sleek. It's a nice design. Mine did come in right around the expected target range of 12 weeks from the order date. So I think I got mine sometime mid last week, which was around December 6th. So today, let's plug this in. Your Awair Element is basically going to look like this and start beeping. And that's when we're going to, not beeping, but blinking right there in the top corner. So now we're going to head over to our cell phone and get this set up. So first things first, you're going to want to download all three of these apps. The first one you're going to want to get is the Awair Home. That will allow us to connect our Awair Element to its original app. Second thing you're going to want to get is the PlanetWatch app. That will allow you to send your data to PlanetWatch to start earning tokens. And lastly, you're going to want to have an Awair wallet account. That is where your tokens will be sent to. So first things first, you're going to want to download all three of these apps. The first one you're going to want to get is the Awair Home. That will allow us to connect our Awair Element to its original app. Second thing you're going to want to get is the PlanetWatch app. That will allow you to send your data to PlanetWatch to start earning tokens. And lastly, you're going to want to have an Awair wallet account. That is where your tokens will be sent to. Once you have these three apps downloaded, you're going to go to the Awair Home. And basically, the first thing that's going to pop up is you're going to have to sign in and make an account. I highly recommend using your same email address that you've used across anything you've had to do with PlanetWatch or the Awair Element. That will just make things easier as well as keep things consistent with the licensing. So once you count, you're either going to pull up to a screen like this, or it's going to show you just to add or connect an Awair Element or any device right away. So for us, we're going to hit the plus sign there since this is my second device. This screen right here is probably what you'll see right when you log in for the first time. First, you're going to click Find Awair, and then it's going to ask you to connect to your internet. So once you are connected to the internet, what you're going to do is you're going to hit continue, and you'll be all good to go because you'll be on your Bluetooth and your internet. So it's going to load up here. Then what I'm going to do here is, you can see here, my first one is connected to my room. That's currently where my first device is. But I'm going to hit plus, and this next one's going to go in my buddy's living room, and I'm going to name it Site 2. Site 2, just for easier reference. And I'll also name it Site 2 as well. 2. And here, basically, you can select what you're going to use it for. You can take your time and read through all these, but for my purposes, I'm just going to select General. And there you go. So your Awair Element is connected, and if you're looking at the interface, it should have lit up and will show your air quality. So it'll take a little while for the air quality of your room to adjust to the correct temperature. Currently, my room is actually reading 87, an overall score of 87. The closer to 100 you get, the better. You guys can take your time to play around here, but I'll just do a quick rundown of some of the topics here and pull them up on screen. So basically, the Awair Element in your house will show you the temperature currently of your room, the humidity percentage in your room, and these scores, you're going to want to be in the green zone, and all these scores for the best air quality. This third one shows you your CO2, parts per million. This will show you the amount of chemicals in your room. I believe that stands for parts per billion. And then this shows you the amount of PM 2.5 dust in the air. So these are all things that affect your air quality, which in turn can affect your health and quality of sleep. So once you're done setting this up, feel free to play around in the app, but we're going to move over to setting up and connecting to PlanetWatch. What's going to happen next is one of two things. You can go in two directions. You're either going to want to set up your Awair wallet, which I currently already have before I had set this up, so that's why I have the app. That will either make it easier or harder, depending on how you look at it. But we could skip that step for now because you'll be able to create a wallet in this app here. So we're going to click on the PlanetWatch app. And the first thing you're going to have to do is sign in or create an account. If you try and sign in, you might be able to sign in with your PlanetWatch account, which would be the same account you bought the sensors with. If not, you'll have to create an account and with that use the same email address you used to buy the sensors. That's going to be key for this, because if you don't use that email address, you won't be able to connect your license as easily. So next, you're going to come down to the bottom to the second tab, hit Wallet, and in the top right, you're going to select Add. This is my wallet here. You could see my first has been set up for about 6 or 7 days here, and I've currently made 81 Planet tokens. So you're going to click the plus in the top right corner, and you're either going to use your recovery passphrase, which you would know if you had already set up an Allegrand account, or you can create a new account right here directly. And one of the last steps here is you're going to go to the first page here, which says sensors. You're going to click on the plus sign in the top right. You're going to click on the license that you have. I currently have one more Type 4 license remaining. I've already used my first one. Then I'm going to click on Awair Element. And I'm not going to do this currently because I'm going to be setting mine up at another location. But what you'll do is you'll click Proceed, and it's going to ask you to sign in to your Awair account, which is the account you just set up recently, if you have not already done so. So once you sign into that, you will select the address of where your Awair Element will be stationed and sensing. And from there, you should be good to go earning some tokens. Once you've connected it, you're going to go back to the sensors page and click on Indoor. And right there, you will see your sensor connected. And here you can see my total rewards. And I set my license up, I think, right around December 3rd. So it's been 6 days, and I've earned totally 102 Planet tokens. So to wrap things up here, basically, if you follow those steps there, you'll be able to start earning your PlanetWatch tokens and have your Awair Element set up. Now, you can have up to 5 of these on an individual person's license, and they have to be in separate houses. With this currently, it might take you a couple days for your sensor to get up to calibration and start earning the full amount of tokens. But once it does, you should start earning around 23 tokens per day, which we're going to take a look at that in our next video. We're going to look at the white paper, and take a look at how much you earn, how long you'll be able to earn for, and answer the big question: is it worth it to put a purchase in and wait 3 weeks for the order? So catch us back here next time. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to help me out, and we can get more content out like this every day.